Hi guys and welcome to Al Foster Autos. Here's a video of our Mitsubishi L200 Animal. Just going to walk you around the car now to show you the condition. As you can see, it has the full Animal decals. And BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. Has the side steps. Rear tow bar. Just open the back for you. The Mitsubishi rear travel liner. Rear opening back window. Front finish, front and rear lights. Door handles. Chrome mirror covers. I'll just show you the inside now, guys. And there you have the black and blue Animal leather interior. Not like your usual, there's no tears, there's no rips. On the drivers or the passengers, both clean. There you have it, CD and MP3 player, aircon. There's this little gadget here for DAB digital radio and live traffic reports. And there's the rears, just as clean as the front. Again, in the Animal blue and black. Cup holders there. And there you have it, guys. The Mitsubishi L200 Animal. For any more information, give us a call.